Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of natural remedies to tackle a common issue, knee pain. Whether it's due to overuse, injury, or general wear and tear, knee pain can be quite bothersome. But fret not. We've compiled 10 effective home remedies that can help alleviate knee discomfort and get you back on your feet. So, let's get started. One. Turmeric milk. Our first remedy is a classic one, turmeric milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Just warm up a cup of milk, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and mix it well. Sip this golden milk before bedtime, and let its soothing properties work wonders for your knee pain. 2. Epsom salt soap. Next up, we have an Epsom salt soap. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium, which can help reduce inflammation and relax sore muscles. Dissolve half a cup of Epsom salt in warm water and soak your knees for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll feel the tension melt away. 3. Ginger compress. Ginger is a fantastic natural pain reliever. Grate some fresh ginger, wrap it in a cloth, and soak it in hot water. Apply the warm ginger compress to your knees for about 15 minutes. This can enhance blood circulation and provide relief. 4. Essential oil massage. Essential oils like lavender, peppermint, and eucalyptus have analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. Mix a few drops of your favorite essential oil with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil, and gently massage your knees. It's a relaxing way to ease knee discomfort. 5. Yoga for knees. Now, let's incorporate some yoga into our routine. Yoga poses like child's pose, cobra pose, and pigeon pose gently stretch and strengthen the muscles around the knees. Practice these poses regularly for improved knee flexibility and pain relief. 6. Cold and heat therapy. Using cold and heat therapy can work wonders for knee pain. Apply an ice pack wrapped in a cloth to your knees for 15 minutes to reduce inflammation. Follow up with a hot water bottle wrapped in a towel for another 15 minutes to relax the muscles. 7. At the kitchen, omega-3 rich foods. Including omega-3 fatty acids in your diet can help reduce knee pain. Foods like fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts are great sources of omega-3s. These healthy fats have anti-inflammatory properties that can ease knee discomfort over time. 8. Compression bandage support. Using a compression bandage can provide support to your knees and reduce swelling. Wrap the bandage snugly, but not too tight, around your knee for added stability during activities. 9. Apple cider vinegar drink. Apple cider vinegar has alkalizing properties that can help reduce pain and inflammation. Mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with honey in a glass of warm water. Drink this concoction daily for its potential benefits. 10. Rice method. Lastly, remember the rice method: rest, ice, compression, and elevation. When your knees are acting up, give them some rest, apply ice, use a compression bandage, and elevate your legs to reduce swelling. There you have it, 10 fantastic home remedies for knee pain relief. Always remember to listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional if your knee pain persists or worsens. These natural remedies can be a great complement to your overall knee care routine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay healthy.